In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unlock your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then go to your profile page, and now as you can see it says you locked your profile. That means that the profile is now private. If you want to make it public, you need to unlock it. To do that, go to menu, then hit at gear icon to open up settings, and then just search for lock. That will show you profile locking. Just get into it and then hit at unlock. Here it says that your settings will return to the way they were before you locked your profile. However, any privacy settings you change after locking your profile will stay the same. To unlock your profile, hit at that button, and that's it. I have just unlocked my profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.